Hunan Xinlan Wind Power Co., Ltd., was originally named Harbin Electric Wind Power Co., Ltd., and it was formerly known as Jiangdian Wind Power Co., Ltd. It is a large state-owned enterprise established with investment from the Xinjiang Group and Harbin Electric Group, dedicated to building a zero-carbon energy world, focusing on the construction and operation of wind farms, as well as the research, development, and sales of wind turbines. Foxconn has captured three major strategies. After more than 10 years of development, Xinlan Wind Power's business has spread across the globe and includes over 200 wind farms in 29 provinces and cities in China. Each year, it generates over 40 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity. To contribute to the development of green energy for humanity, as a provider of green energy system solutions and a practitioner in the development of China's wind power industry, Xinlan Wind Power successfully installed the first 2-megawatt onshore permanent magnet direct drive unit in the country in 2007, advancing the megawatt-level onshore wind power process in China. In 2009, the company established an international R&D platform, acquired the Dutch company Darwind, and initiated a strategic layout in the offshore wind power sector. In 2010, the company rolled out the largest 5-megawatt offshore wind turbine in the country, and in the same year, took the lead in establishing the National Key Laboratory for Offshore Wind Power Technology and Testing. In 2014, Xinlan Wind Power successfully won the bid for the country's first commercial offshore wind power project, smoothly installing and connecting 10 5-megawatt wind turbines to the grid. In 2022, the company successfully connected the first 8-megawatt onshore wind turbine it developed to the grid on its first attempt. Currently, Xinlan Wind Power has developed 3 technological routes: direct drive, permanent magnet, and integrated medium-speed permanent magnet dual feed. This covers a full range of micro onshore wind turbines from 20 kilowatts to 500 kilowatts, as well as large onshore wind power generators ranging from 2 megawatts to 11 megawatts. This refers to the product matrix of offshore wind turbine units ranging from 5 megawatts to 16 megawatts. The 195 5X series medium-speed permanent magnet wind turbines and the 227X series doubly fed wind turbines. It can be applied to the distributed wind farms in the southern mountainous area, various application scenarios. The power rating range can be freely selected from 5 megawatts to 8.35 megawatts, and customized wind farm solutions can be developed based on environmental factors such as wind speed, altitude, and turbulence intensity, considering multiple dimensions like individual turbine capacity and hub height. This effectively reduces construction costs, while increasing electricity generation and investment returns. In 2022, Xinlan Wind Power successfully connected the first domestic onshore 187 7.x megawatt wind turbine to the grid. This turbine is part of a brand new ultra-compact and highly reliable product series. The nitrogen capacity power range covers from 6.75 megawatts to 8 megawatts, with an expected annual grid-connected electricity generation of 26 million kilowatt hours, which is equivalent to providing electricity for 10,800 households for a year. This will reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 2,460 tons. The 0-Tata 9.X series is a brand new product line designed for the sandy desert market environment, with power coverage matching from 9.1 megawatts to 11 megawatts. It utilizes a mature one-pole structure and features a low sand-sensitive airfoil and aerodynamic design, ensuring excellent electricity generation performance in sandy and dusty conditions. 26016X is a series of units specially designed for offshore evaluation. It has superior anti-typhoon control strategy and is suitable for 3 types of sea areas: super typhoon, high wind speed, strong typhoon, medium wind speed, weak typhoon, and low wind speed. The power range is from 14 to 16 megawatts, allowing for upwind shutdown during strong winds and downwind shutdown during storms. It uses a medium voltage 1380-volt current converter, which is highly efficient and reliable. It has strong overgeneration capability. In 2009, Shinlan Wind Power acquired Darwind, a company in the Netherlands known as the home of wind turbines, which specializes in the design and development of offshore wind turbine units and began to focus on offshore wind. In the past decade, we have developed technology in the field of offshore wind power, holding 196 domestic core patents and over 30 overseas core patents, including several patents for innovative floating wind power technologies. We have participated in offshore floating research projects with the US and French National Energy Laboratories, collaborating with Spanish and French companies to advance barge-type and semi-submersible wind power projects. Leveraging our own floating patents, we are promoting third-party licensing and collaborative research on innovative floating projects within the EU region. We are currently working on an innovative floating integrated solution for a single 16 megawatt and dual 32 megawatt platform. In March 2023, Shinlan Wind Power took the lead in restructuring the National Key Laboratory for Offshore Wind Power Equipment and Efficient Utilization of Wind Energy. It is currently the only national key laboratory approved for construction in the field of wind power in our country. The laboratory is dedicated to the research and development of applied fundamental theories and core technologies in the wind power sector, focusing on tackling major scientific issues related to the design and manufacturing of high-power wind power generation equipment, optimization of wind farm cluster topology, intelligent control, and efficient utilization of wind energy, establishing an integrated technological innovation system for offshore wind power equipment and efficient utilization of wind energy, which encompasses R&D, design, manufacturing, evaluation, regulation, and management standards. Achieving independent control over offshore wind power technology and equipment, we aim to establish a source of offshore wind power technology in our country and a hub for high-level talent, building a national strategic scientific and technological strength in the field of wind power. Shinlan Wind Power, carrying the dream of a green future. Facing forward, bravely moving towards the future. With the ambition and passion to serve the country through industry, painting a grand blueprint for the utilization of wind energy by humanity, safeguarding the blue seas and skies for future generations.